Here we have some examples, some practice problems for the exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle theorem is one of my favorite theorems to prove because it just really flows, and it's just one of those that I think is very straightforward and makes sense. But essentially what we've proven up here in the notes and what we've been told is that the exterior angle of a triangle, and exterior means outside, so this one outside, it equals these two added together. So we're going to have some algebra involved here, but we can figure that out. So my two added together, so I have x plus 108 degrees equals my exterior angle, which is 156. Now to solve for x, I can just subtract 108. Those cancel, and x is going to be 46 degrees. Here's another problem. So we have x plus x. Those are my two remote interior angles, and they're the same. And they're going to equal 152. Well, when I have an x plus an x, that's a 1x plus a 1x. So that's 2x equals 152. Now I can just divide both sides by 2 to get my x by itself. 152 divided by 2 would give me 76 degrees. On C, it's a little bit more complicated, but again, we're just adding these two together and it's equaling our exterior angle. So I have 2x plus 3x equals 120. We're just doing algebra at this point, basic algebra. 2 plus 3 is 5. So I'm going to combine my like terms, and that's going to equal 120. I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And x will equal 24. Now that's not 24 degrees. If it was asking you what the angle is, we would have to come back and plug that in, and this would be 2 times 24 degrees, and this would be 3 times 24 degrees. Same thing on this last one. Again, we're just going to do some algebra. So we have x plus 2x plus 6. And everybody gets kind of hung up on these parentheses, and I'm not really sure why. Usually the degree sign will be on the outside, indicating that that's all that many degrees. Don't get hung up on the parentheses. We can drop them once we put them here because we're adding. And that's going to equal 126. So 1x plus 2x is 3x. Plus 6 equals 126. Subtract my 6 on both sides. Those are going to cancel. I get 3x equals 120. If I divide by 3, those cancel, and x equals 40. Again, it's not 40 degrees. Well, actually, this one would be 40 degrees. But over here, we would have to plug our 40 in.